Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best iPhone microphone is probably one of the most crucial yet often overlooked components for anyone looking to capture high-quality audio directly on their device, especially when it comes to the nuanced demands of singing, where every subtle inflection and breath needs to be rendered with pristine clarity. Number 5. ZealSound K66 USB Podcast Microphone. Experience broadcast-level audio with this microphone. Its advanced design captures your voice clearly while minimizing background noise, ensuring rich and detailed sound for all your recordings. Record cleaner audio in any environment. This feature helps filter out distracting sounds like keyboard clicks and fan noise, allowing your voice to take center stage. Get started in seconds with its easy plug-and-play functionality. It works seamlessly with your PC, Mac, and even mobile devices without any complicated setup. Hear exactly what you're recording with zero delay. Adjust your headphone volume directly on the device for comfortable and accurate audio monitoring. Take full command of your sound. Easily adjust microphone gain, monitoring volume, and echo levels with intuitive physical knobs for perfect audio every time. Control your audio discreetly with a single press. The clear LED indicator lets you know instantly when you're muted, ensuring privacy and preventing accidental audio. Add creative flair or ensure clean recordings with the adjustable echo. Tailor your vocal depth and presence in real time without needing external software. What we like. This microphone offers advanced noise reduction for cleaner audio. It also provides hands-on control with dedicated knobs for gain, monitoring, and echo. If you are looking for a versatile microphone with excellent sound shaping capabilities for various recording scenarios, this is a great choice. What people say. The audio comes out clean, clear, and surprisingly professional, and the noise cancelling blocks out a lot of background sounds, which gives it that smooth, almost ASMR-like quality. It was easy to set up and it does seem to block out background noise well. It comes with attachments that can be used with an iPhone or Android device as well as a laptop. The quality is great. Number 4. Mercase USB Condenser Microphone. Introducing the Mercase USB Condenser Microphone, your go-to audio solution. It's designed for incredible sound quality and ease of use. This device works with virtually anything you own, from PCs and Macs to gaming consoles and smartphones. It comes with all the adapters you need for instant connection. Experience professional audio quality right out of the box. Simply plug it in and enjoy crystal clear sound for all your recordings and calls. Need to eliminate distractions? Activate the enhanced noise cancellation to filter out background sounds. This ensures your voice is heard clearly, no matter the environment. Stay in control with the convenient one-tap mute button. An LED indicator clearly shows when you're muted, preventing any unwanted audio during your streams or calls. This kit includes everything you need to get started. With the microphone, cables, adapters, and stand, you're ready for any creative project. What we like. This option boasts wide compatibility across many devices, including phones and consoles, with a true plug-and-play experience. Its advanced noise cancellation ensures clear audio in any environment. If you're a content creator who switches between multiple platforms and needs a reliable, easy-to-use microphone, this is the one for you. What people say. The microphone is designed to be plugged directly into the iPhone, eliminating the need for adapters or extra cables. It captures clear and crisp audio, making it ideal for recording vocals. The compact and lightweight design makes it easy to carry around and use on the go. Number 3. USB Podcast Microphone Kit. Connect effortlessly to your phone, PC, Mac, or Android device. This microphone is designed for a seamless plug-and-play experience, requiring no complex setup. Whether you're podcasting, gaming, or video conferencing, this microphone delivers clear, crisp sound. Its cardioid pattern ensures your voice is captured perfectly without static. Enjoy a premium build with a stable tripod stand for comfortable use during voiceovers or streaming. Its flexible design and foam windscreen enhance your recording quality. Experience professional-grade audio with a high sampling rate that captures every nuance. The cardioid pickup pattern effectively reduces background noise for pristine sound. Built with a rugged metal construction and a stable desktop stand, this microphone is designed for durability. Easily adjusted to the perfect angle for your workflow. Instantly mute your mic with a single button press. Activate noise reduction mode to filter out background distractions and ensure your voice is heard clearly. Plug in your headphones to the 3.5mm audio port and monitor your recording live. Adjust volume levels as needed for perfect audio every time. What we like. This microphone offers broad compatibility with phones and computers, featuring a professional sound chipset for excellent audio quality. It also includes real-time monitoring to help you perfect your sound. If you are a beginner looking for a user-friendly yet high-quality microphone for singing or podcasting on your phone or computer, this kit is ideal. What people say. The microphone has a clear sound quality, making vocals stand out. It's easy to plug and play with iPhones, no complicated setup needed. The compact design makes it portable and convenient for on-the-go recording. Number 2. ZealSound USB and 3.5mm condenser microphone. Get started right away with this versatile microphone. It connects effortlessly to your iPhone, computer, or gaming console, no extra software needed. Easily fine-tune your sound with intuitive controls. Adjust echo and volume with simple sliders, and mute your mic silently with a quick slide. Experience natural audio clarity thanks to intelligent noise reduction and a cardioid pickup pattern. It focuses on your voice, eliminating background distractions for professional-sounding recordings. Hear exactly what you're recording with zero delay. The built-in headphone jack lets you monitor your audio in real time, ensuring perfect takes every time. Crafted from durable aluminum, this microphone feels as good as it sounds. It comes with a stable tripod and pop filter for a complete recording setup. Everything you need is in the box. This package includes the microphone, stand, pop filter, all necessary cables, and adapters for maximum compatibility. What we like. This microphone bundle is designed for easy plug-and-play use with a variety of devices, including iPhones. It offers convenient echo and volume controls for immediate sound adjustment and delivers natural audio clarity. If you're a singer who uses apps like Smule or GarageBand and wants a microphone that's simple to set up and provides good vocal quality, this is a fantastic option. What people say. The microphone is designed to be compatible with iPhones, allowing for direct connection without the need for adapters. It features a cardioid polar pattern, which helps to minimize background noise and focus on the sound source, ideal for capturing vocals. The product includes a built-in pop filter that effectively reduces plosive sounds, ensuring clearer recordings during singing. Number 1. BOYA by-M100D iPhone microphone. This microphone is designed for ultimate portability. Its lightweight and compact design, with a 180-degree swivel, makes it easy to carry and use anywhere, anytime. Enjoy a hassle-free recording experience with its battery-free and drive-free design. It's ready to go right out of the box, ensuring you never miss a moment due to power issues. Capture rich, clear sound from all directions with its omnidirectional pickup. The included wind protection effectively reduces unwanted noise for pristine audio quality. This microphone features an M5 certified Lightning connector, making it perfectly compatible with a wide range of iPhones and iPads. We stand by our product with a 24-month warranty. If you encounter any issues, our support team is ready to provide a perfect solution. What we like. This microphone is incredibly compact and portable, designed specifically for iOS devices with a Lightning connector. It's battery-free and plug-and-play, making it extremely convenient for on-the-go recording. If you're an iPhone user who vlogs, interviews, or needs to capture high-quality audio quickly without any hassle, this mini microphone is perfect for you. What people say. It's omnidirectional, so not as good for isolating individual birdsong, but still a noticeable improvement over my iPhone's built-in mic. Also solidly built and has held up well with near-daily use. This microphone is great for a plug-and-play, compact, lightweight sound enhancer. What it does is amplify all the sounds around you. I found it is ideal for use with a bird call identification app such as Merlin. El modelo BY-M100 para cámaras digitales tiene a favor que es muy pequeño, ligero y fácil de transportar ya que incluye su estuche. Low probe en mi Nikon Z5Y en mi Sony A6100 para reducir el ruido del viento exterior. El resultado en la calidad de audio es aceptable, apenas mejor que el micrófono integrado de las cámaras. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.